It's tax season, and while many self-employed Canadians are getting ready to write a check to the CRA, or better yet, collect one, many are still wondering, I know I am, how can we reduce the amount of tax that we pay going forward? To help guide us through all of this is my guest, accountant Susan Watkin. Susan has a successful accounting practice. She's also one of TurboTax's resident tax experts. Okay, Susan, your thoughts on deductions. This is a big one because everybody wants to reduce the amount of tax that they would have to pay. Is this even possible, or is this just like a pie-in-the-sky dream?
The beauty of it is being a self-employed individual, when you're a sole proprietor, you get to claim all your income and expenses for that small business onto your personal income taxes, which means you are also filing that with all your deductions and your credits and all of that stuff that you get to take advantage of when you're filing your personal taxes. So absolutely, you get all of that on your tax return.
Okay, so let's dive into deductions specifically.
Okay.
How do they work?
Deductions are the ones that make the big impact against our taxable income. So whatever income that you're earning, the deductions are the ones that directly impact that. They reduce it. So for example, let's talk about the most common one is your RRSP.
Okay.
So not only are you going to be saving for your future, but now you are helping to reduce your taxable income because everything you put against your RRSP is reducing that taxable income for you. So you're planning, you're saving, in both sides.
Okay, so what I think I'm hearing is like max out on those RRSPs.
Yes, absolutely, if you can, because it's going to help you now and it's going to help you in the future.
Okay, so there's the next question then is how can we find out what we are eligible to claim for?
You've got this software like TurboTax Self-Employed that's going to walk you through it and go through all of these deductions, not only for your business, but also for you personally, and make sure that you're maximizing all of that you can for your return.
Okay, so now when we talk about keeping records, it really sounds like that is really, really important in this process. And not only do I have a side hustle, as they say, my husband is an entrepreneur. How important is it? What records are we actually keeping?
Oh, wow. Basically, everything. So if it has to do with his business, you want him to keep everything. And that's your office supplies, your phone, your internet, things like that. Because if it's a reasonable business expense, he's likely able to claim it. You got to have it all put together and ready to go into the tax software.
Okay, so would you say the golden rule is when in doubt, don't throw it out?
Yeah, don't throw it out. Yeah, no, definitely. You want to save everything because there is the hope that you are going to be able to use that as an expense for yourself.
Lastly, let's discuss charitable donations and the benefits they can give us in terms of deductions. For me personally, I've been supporting a group of charities for a really, really long time. For example, the World Wildlife Fund has been doing amazing things around the world, and I've supported them every turn in every possible way. There is Save the Children that I have always supported, and that is for so many children in need around the world. It's a great feeling, but it turns out that there is also another benefit to charitable donations in terms of taxes.
Yes, absolutely. There's that bonus, and it's those tax credits I was just mentioning. We are able to claim a portion of our donations against that taxed income. So that tax amount that's been calculated, that's going to be one of those credits that's going to help us bring it down. So now we're doing good for something that really matters, and we're getting this little bonus at the end.
Yeah, big bonus both ways.
Yes, absolutely.
Susan, thank you so much.
Thank you, Melissa.
For more smart advice from Canada's tax experts, keep following TurboTax on Twitter and on Insta. Always like and subscribe on YouTube. And please check out all of the episodes we have available. I'm Melissa Grelo. See you next time.